Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will compare the Huawei Watch D2 and Huawei Watch D. The Huawei Watch D2 and Huawei Watch D are both notable devices in Huawei's smartwatch lineup, primarily focused on health monitoring. The Huawei Watch D2 is a versatile smartwatch designed for both fitness enthusiasts and those looking for advanced health monitoring features. It boasts an elegant design with a 1.82-inch AMOLED display and a robust aluminum alloy body, ensuring durability and style. The watch includes innovative features like a blood pressure monitor that uses a built-in airbag for accurate readings and is capable of performing ECGs. With IP68 water resistance and a battery life of up to 6 days, the Huawei Watch D2 is well suited for a range of activities from running to swimming. Its wireless charging and Bluetooth connectivity enhance its usability, making it compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The Huawei Watch D is a unique smartwatch primarily known for its health monitoring features, including blood pressure and ECG measurements. It stands out in the wearable market due to its integrated blood pressure sensor, which operates with an air pump system embedded in one of the straps. In addition to blood pressure monitoring, the Watch D tracks heart rate, sleep patterns, SpO2 or blood oxygen levels, and skin temperature. It is equipped with built-in GPS for outdoor activities and has a battery life of up to 7 days under typical use. In my opinion, if you prioritize health metrics and want the latest technology, the Huawei Watch D2 is the worthier investment. For those who need basic health tracking, the Watch D remains a solid option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.